Hi, this is Dave with HOPPE'S Gun Cleaning Products. Today we're going to be cleaning the CZ Bobwhite Side-by-Side 20 gauge shotgun. We're going to be cleaning it with the Legend Shotgun Cleaning Kit. The first step in the cleaning process is to safety check and make sure you're doing it in a well ventilated area. For this shotgun, being a break action, I'm going to flip the selector switch, break it open, and you're going to visually and physically inspect it, making sure there's no rounds in the chamber. And we're good on this one. So in the Legend kit, we're going to be using HOPPE'S traditional number 9 bore cleaner, along with the lubricating oil. And we're going to be using the rod that comes in the kit, along with the slotted jag and the bore brush. And we're going to use the shotgun cleaning patches. First, we're going to assemble the rod. This kit comes with a 3-piece aluminum rod. You'll notice when assembling, you've got one piece that has 2 marks on it. The marks on the end of this rod is to indicate which end the brush and the attachments go to. So we're going to assemble the rod. In the first step in the process, we're going to use the bronze brush. With this brush in this kit, it comes with a little adapter that's going to screw into the end of the rod first, and then we'll attach the brush to that. For the first step, we're going to dip the bore brush into the bore cleaner. Okay. And then this is a side-by-side, so it's got 2 barrels, so we're going to run the brush down the length of the barrel. And this is going to coat the inside. It's going to break up any fouling from the shots. So I'm just going to unscrew it. That way when I pull it back through, it doesn't pull any of the fouling back into the receiver of the gun. After the left barrel, I'm going to do the same thing with the right. I'm going to dip it into the gun solvent one more time, and then repeat this step. Once we've ran the bore brush through the second barrel, we're just going to kind of let it sit while we change out our brush for the slotted jag. Now I'm attaching the slotted 20 gauge jag. And what we're going to do is we're going to run clean patches, dry patches through, and this is going to clean up any of the solvent and the fouling and help remove that. So we'll go ahead and start with our left barrel first. We're going to run that through. And you come down, remove the patch, kind of the same idea as the brush, just so you don't pull stuff back in. And you can see how dirty it is. And you're going to remove this back out. You don't need to remove the jag because it's not pulling anything else back through. Then we're going to repeat that process with the other barrel. So we'll insert another clean patch, do the other side. Okay, I'm going to remove that. And you're going to repeat that process until the patches come out clean. After you finish that step and they come out clean, we're going to move on to putting patches on and running a patch with gun oil on. This is going to do a couple things. It's going to stop the cleaning process of the bore cleaner, and it's going to coat it and lubricate it for safe storage until the next time you use it. So we'll start with the left barrel, running it through. Remove that and set it aside. So we'll do the other barrel with another clean patch with oil on it. This step you only need to do once. It's just coating it with some oil. You're not worried about anything else. So we'll go ahead and do the other barrel to clean and protect it, and then remove that. The last step in the process is going to take some patches with a little bit of gun oil just to wipe down the rest of the metal and the stock. Again, this is just to kind of help protect it until the next time you use it. Make sure you get all the metal surfaces. If you get a little on the wood, that's fine, you can wipe that off. But you want to get all the metal and protect the surfaces. You don't want too much oil on here, you just want kind of a nice thin coating to help protect it. Once you've completed that step, you can put it in your gun safe for safe storage until the next time you use it. Thanks for coming along while we cleaned this CZ Bobwhite side-by-side 20 gauge shotgun. If you have questions about any of the products we used here today or questions about any other HOPPE'S products, go ahead and visit us at HOPPE'S.com.